Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to do a simple haircut as a beginner just using guard number 1.5 and 2. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. Let's get into it. So firstly, I start from the top, just cutting a little bit. I'm just trimming the top, as you can see, just a little bit, and I'm using the diagonal technique point cut. This technique, it's called it diagonal point cut, or you can just say the point cut or point cut at an angle. You can see. So, and you have to note these when you pick the new section. When you left a new section, you have to pick up the previous section too. That helps you how long you have to cut. Now for example, you see it, so let's say this is the first guideline. Now I just cut it. Now I lift the second guideline with the first guideline. So the first guideline helps the second guideline to helps me and shows how long should I have to cut. So already I cut the right side, so we separate the top to the three sections: middle, right side and left side. So middle and the right side I already trimmed it and I cut it. So here is the last part from the top and here is the back. So now I'm connecting the crown to the up and to the back. Now you can see how I hold my hands. Okay guys, please hit the subscribe button and like this video to support me. You can see I picked up the previous section with the new section. Now you can see I'm going from the left side to the right side and pick the previous guideline too. Now I use the clips for the top. So now we started cutting the side with guard number 2, and I use comb as a guideline to help me. I don't cut more than that. You exactly do the same. Use the comb. And now here is the side, left side. So here I finished it with number 2. So now I'm using guard number 1.5. The lever is 3/4 open and it's a little bit lower than guard number 2. You can see it's cutting and it's bright than number 2. And now guys, look at this, how I cut with the clipper. I go inside and out like this letter C. You have to cut like the letter C. You go inside and get out. So I clean up the button with the same guard. That's guard 1.5. So here I did. So now I use the overcomb technique. Just cut a little bit the top, and here is the left side. You can see how I hold the combs too. You have to hold the combs a bit to the out. You can see I'm showing you it's 45 degrees to the out, holding the combs, and use clipper. And you can see the distance between comb and the scalp. You don't have to use it very close. So guys, now I'm using guard number 1 for the sideburn. And the back line, just I'm fade it to looks professional and better. You don't have to go so much high. You can see just for the sideburn, the lever also, you can see it's 3/4 open. If you're watching this video until now, please hit the subscribe button. And now I'm using the guard number 0.5. You can see on the clipper, and the lever, make sure 3/4 open. You can see now, I show you again. And now I'm using the clipper with a guideline and the lever 3/4 open, just fading the sideburn and the back line. You can see it makes it so professional and nice. And you can see I'm just using the corner of blade of machine, not full blade. So now I finished the fading the sideburn and the back line. Now it's the time for lining up, because I'm almost done. You can see how I line up just using the corner of blade. Guys, please like this video if you're new here and watching this video. And you can see I line up around the hair roundly. Just make sure the top of ear is round, because round makes it so professional. And the sideburn also, it has to be curved. You can see 2-3 times I make sure it's round and clean. You can see the trimmer, how I'm using the corner of blade, and I'm making a straight line behind the ears. So now I'm pointing the section with my fingers, and I'm just using scissors, the thinning scissors, just fading up those area that I show you, just a little bit, no need too much. I'm just fading those dark spot, which looks very dark, so I have to fade it to looks slightly to the fade, not suddenly it's bright or dark. Just slowly. You can see this part is very dark, so I'm showing you slowly how to use the scissors and the comb. And so now I fresh the guideline with blade. You have to hold the blade 45 degrees and use your left thumb to pull the skin. Pulling skin, it helps you to not cut the skin, and also cut the small hairs, which is baby hair, very well, and looks the line very well and professional. And here is the line behind the ears. I cut it from the top, from the side. When you line up with the blade, it shows you so much different and looks good. Okay guys, now I finished the lining up with the blade, so now I make sure the right side I comb the hair to the down, little bit cut the in front hair, and make sure the right side with the left side is same balance. So now I go already I washed the hair, so now I go for styling the hair. Guys, please hit the subscribe button and like this video if you are new here or watching this video. If I help you, please support me. So guys, so I'm styling his hair. This is the Korean hairstyle 7-3. You can see this style is 7-3, the Korean hairstyle. You can see 3% is at the left side and 7% is at the right side. So now I separate the top. You see how I style the hair. Now I'm using some pomade. I apply some pomade on his hair. You can see 7-3. How I separate the hair. It's a Korean hairstyle. Okay guys, here I'm almost finished the haircut and styling. Thank you so much for watching this video. Here is the haircut. Guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video and comment below if you have any help and question. Let me know. I'll see you in the next video.